What's up, dudes and dudettes of YouTube community? This is Deco here, and I am going to be showing you how to make a pretty realistic muzzle flash like this. I don't know why it does that, but whenever it's like not the full video, it'll start going backwards. Oh, whatever. So as you can see, I'm showing you how to make, my earlier video, that was just how to make a regular muzzle flash using Action Essentials. This is using Action Essentials 2, and it's how to make a machine gun muzzle flash. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a new comp. Yeah, that's good. Drag out my clip. Wait a sec, the comp's not, this is in, just drag that inwards. So there it is. Drag that over. Right click. And come to work area. So we're going to find the first spot where I kind of like start shooting, which is right there. You see the slight movement. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 muzzle flashes selected. 18, 17, 16, 15, and 14. I'm going to take 18 out for the first bullet. Right, line it up. Make it smaller. That is not the size you want it to be. Actually, this is pretty much good. Then go time stretch. Since these are slowed down a bit, you want to time stretch it a bit. Go forward a couple frames. Make another one. Next muzzle flash in there. Oh, I didn't drag it in. I know you're like, oh, it's too orange, but don't worry, later we'll fix that. You'll see. Go forward. Put the next muzzle flash. And then you just keep doing that. But I'm not going to do it all for you. So then, what you want to do is you want to go Shift and then pre-compose. And we'll call this muzzle. Oh, that's spelled right. Muzzle flash. And then as you mouse letter blue. Okay. There's the first muzzle flash. I'll drag it to right about there. And then since it's already at, and then you want to hit add. And then also what you want to do, you want to go to effect. Well, this depends on how you like your muzzle flashes. I like tinting them a bit white, around 60%. So it looks like that. And then if you're like me and you take out the ag, you can just duplicate that and then drag it up. But you will have to fix it. So that's basically how you make a machine gun muzzle flash. Except for you'll do a lot more than I did. You'll do like all of that. You'll do this. Boom, 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 boom. If you want to, you can keyframe it. If you move your gun a bit much, you can keyframe the actual comp. As you can see, look right there, it's moving. And so that's basically how to do this. So see you guys later.